Most people think AI is only for coders or big companies, but that's not true anymore. There are AI tools right now that can save you hours every single week. And once you start using them, it honestly feels unfair compared to everyone else still doing things manually. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that feel illegal to know. Not because they're complicated, but because of how much time and effort they remove from your day. The first tool is ChatGPT, but not in the way most people use it. Instead of asking basic questions, you can use it as a personal assistant. You can give it messy notes, voice transcripts, or half-finished ideas and ask it to turn them into clean emails, scripts, or plans in seconds. This alone can replace hours of writing, brainstorming, and thinking time every week. The second tool is an AI research assistant. These tools can scan articles, PDFs, websites, and even long reports and give you a clear summary in seconds. Instead of spending hours reading or watching videos, you get the key points instantly. This is perfect if you're creating content, learning new skills, or staying up to date with AI news. The third tool is AI for content creation. This includes tools that can turn one piece of content into many. For example, you can take a long video and instantly turn it into short clips, captions, and even post ideas. What used to take hours of editing and planning can now be done in minutes, which is why creators using AI are posting more without working more. The fourth tool is AI design. You don't need to be a designer anymore to make professional-looking thumbnails, social posts, or graphics. AI design tools can create visuals based on a short description, and you can tweak them in seconds. This removes the need to hire someone or spend hours learning design software. The fifth tool is AI automation. This is where things really start to feel unfair. You can connect AI tools together so tasks happen automatically. Emails get sorted, notes get summarized, ideas get stored, and reminders get created without you doing anything. Once this is set up, your workflow runs in the background while you focus on what actually matters. The reason these tools feel illegal to know is because most people still don't use them properly. They're stuck doing things the slow way, while AI users are finishing work faster, creating more content, and learning quicker than ever before. If you start using even one of these tools, you'll notice the difference immediately. And if you combine a few of them, you can easily save 10 or more hours every single week. If you want more videos like this where I break down AI tools, side hustles, and real ways to use AI heading into 2026, make sure you subscribe. I've got a lot more coming.